Welcome again. Dr. Klaas is here. Dr. Klaas in his studio with Dr. Maqolo as usual. Now we're going to talk about Bafana Bafana, the current coach Hugo. It seems like now Hugo in these days got favors for Bafana Bafana. There are players who are doing well in Orlando Pirates, Mabasa, Saleng. There's a lot of players that are doing well in Orlando Pirates. And then it seems like Hugo now, he's choosing faces. You have favorite players. You have players you like, you have players you don't like it. But for your side, Dr. Maqolo, for what the fans says about Hugo, is it true? So, or what is your take based on that? What can you say about the situation that Hugo is doing?
Thank you very much, Mr. Klaas. Again, Mr. Hugo is one of the greatest coach. He's a great coach. You can look how he built our nation, how he built our team.
Yes.
Even to take South Africa, the team that no one was taking notice to them, he managed to take them to finals. It was a great thing, and we appreciate it. Yeah. But we see now there's a hidden agenda. I don't know, maybe Mutsepe is putting money in his pocket, or is putting money on the members of SAFA not to play Chiefs and Pirates players. Yes. Because last season, I understand players of Chiefs didn't deserve to be called on the national team.
Yes.
But now, what do you say about a top goal scorer of last season is banging goals?
Yes.
This season he started again, is still banging goals.
Yes.
But you don't see him on the national team. You call players that we think they are his number two. Others, they are in Europe, they don't even score. They score one or two. They're like midfielders. Yeah. But you call them to play for Bafana Bafana. We have a player like that plays Mabasa. We have a player like Saleng. Yes. You see how he's killing the big teams now. Yes. Mabasa is unstoppable. Mabasa is on the form, and you win a cup now because of him. But he's not even a reserve in Bafana Bafana.
Yes.
Maswanganyi is there to sit on the bench. Even when he played him last time, he was playing him on a difficult game. Just imagine you called Bafana Bafana, they say you are a replacer of Tembazwane. What is that?
Yeah.
Why don't call a player because of it deserved to win the team? When his chance comes, you give him a chance. You win by 5-0, you keep Mabasa on the bench. Maswanganyi on the bench.
Yeah. When
you see you are playing away in a difficult game, you bring Mabasa so that he can fail. Because I take that as if his intention was to make Maswanganyi to fail on that game.
Yeah.
So that those fans were saying that he must play him, they must shut up. He was trying to silence us when what he was doing. But luckily, boy come, he was cool, he played nice, whereas we end up throwing that game.